Hey everybody, I'm going to give you a little tutorial on our two-dimensional frame for making fields of dominoes. It's specifically designed for these wooden dominoes, and in particular these centennials, which you can see have the number 100 on them, and these greyhounds. Now, putting dominoes into the frame is super easy. You just put dominoes into the frame, and that's about it. But we do have these wooden dowels, and the wooden dowels go on to the ends of the frame. Let's find one that's a little less bent. There we go. On the end of the frame, and the idea is that the wooden dominoes act as a bit of a backstop on the dominoes as you put them into the frame. Now, these dominoes actually have dots on them. And so one thing you'll want to be careful of is, do the dots all go to the left, or do the dots all go to the right? And it depends on the design. Sometimes we'll want them to fall with dots up. Sometimes we'll want them to fall with dots down. Now, a lot of what we'll be doing are letters. And this is a font of different letters and numbers. And so, for example, for our national parks display, we're going to be doing a big, lengthy set of letters, which will just say the words National Parks and National Parks and Monuments. Every letter is 5 by 5, and we always put one row of the background color on all sides, and so that makes a 5 by 5 pattern equal to a 7 by 7 pattern. And so we'll have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and so that'll be roughly the pattern. So I'm going to go ahead and make the letter D, and since it's 5 by 5, it'll be 5 dominoes at the top, and then it'll be 5 dominoes wide, like so. Now, one of the tricks is that occasionally you'll get a domino that falls like so, and usually you can get a spare wooden dowel and just push it up so that it stands upright. And then you just fill out the pattern. And one of the nice things about the wooden frames is that you can actually build the frame away from the field. That is, I could have the field over there and then build the frame someplace far away from it, which means that you're unlikely to hit the field and to start an accidental topple. And so then, once you've finished a section, we can then go, and push the frame to wherever it needs to go and line it up perfectly with the rest of the field. And then, we remove the dowels and then just very carefully grab both sides of the frame and lift it up like so to create a nice little field of dominoes that lines up nice. And it works especially well and is designed right for these wooden dominoes. And then let's just topple it like so.